Did you know that K Hair Factories is preparing to have a biggest hair extension testing event in Nigeria? This will be a special event for hair extension dealers to try K hair products directly at Nigeria. Don't leave the screen, I will review to you all you need to know about this special event in this video. First of all, what will this event have? This hair extension testing event will give you the opportunity to try K hair products in person in Lagos, Nigeria. You will not have to spend money to buy samples of K hair products to test again. You also won't have to waste time waiting for your sample order to arrive. We will bring you our best-selling products, bone straight hair extension, to Lagos, Nigeria, so you can touch, test and experience for yourself. If you are afraid that these are our best looking products, don't worry. The bone straight hair extension products you are seeing here are the same products that K Hair always sells. We guarantee that if you order from K Hair, you will also receive products of the same great qualities as the products we bring to Lagos. This is your best chance to experience K Hair hair extension, so don't miss it. So, how to join the biggest hair extension testing event in Nigeria? Below this video is a link for you to register and be one of the first 100% to experience K hair hair extensions. Quickly fill out this registration link so we can bring K hair hair extension to you. In addition, when participating in K hair biggest hair extension testing event in Nigeria, you will have the opportunity to receive attractive free gifts from us. We will be in Lagos, Nigeria from 14th of October and the event only lasts for 10 days. If you are someone who sells hair extensions, do not miss out the biggest hair extension testing event in Nigeria from K Hair. If you are interested in biggest hair extension testing event in Nigeria, don't forget to fill out the registrations link below or leave us a comment below this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. This is Justin of K Hair Factory and I will be back with bigger event for you all. Thank you and see you again.